Let me guess, you don't know? And you have a lot of questions? Well, keep watching as we dive into the world of knowledge and give you a lot of useful tips and information. Stay tuned! Our brains are incredibly powerful and complex. But did you know they also have the ability to change themselves? This is known as neuroplasticity, and it's one of the most exciting discoveries in neuroscience. By definition, neuroplasticity is defined as the ability of the nervous system to change its activity in response to intrinsic or extrinsic stimuli by reorganizing its structure, functions, or connections after injuries such as a stroke or traumatic brain injury. In the past, it was believed that our brains were fixed and unchanging, but we now know that this is not the case. Our brains have the ability to reorganize themselves, create new neural connections, and even grow new cells. This ability to change is what allows us to learn new things from new habits and recover from injuries or trauma. It's also what makes our brains so adaptable and resilient. Neuroplasticity can occur in response to a wide range of experiences, from learning a new skill to recovering from a stroke. It can also be influenced by factors such as exercise, diet, and stress. But neuroplasticity is not just something that happens on its own. We can actually harness this power to intentionally shape and change our brains. By engaging in activities and practices that stimulate our brains, we can enhance our cognitive abilities, improve our mood, and even delay cognitive decline as we age. The power of neuroplasticity is truly remarkable, and with continued research and experimentation, we are only beginning to unlock its full potential. So go ahead and challenge yourself to learn something new, try a new activity, and experience the power of neuroplasticity for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to unlock your brain's full potential.